In this video, I'll be showing you a new feature Bybit just launched, which is called the AI sub-account for AI agent. Now, what is this feature all about and how can you use it? Now, this is a new feature on Bybit that allows you to create a separate account under your own Bybit account for AI agent or AI trading bot. So if you're the kind of person that you want to use AI agent to handle trading for you and create a trading bot that will be taking trades for you without you being present there, then this AI sub-account is for you. And another thing about this AI sub-account right here is that it allows you to create a separate account from your own personal account on Bybit. So instead of you creating like two different Bybit accounts, you are putting everything under one Bybit account. So you have your own personal account separate, then you have this AI sub account also separate. So you are not mixing your personal money with the money you're using with this AI agent at all. So they're also giving you the chance to be able to create this sub account so that you don't have to create another Bybit account with another email address. Everything is under one Bybit account. I hope you get it. So without wasting your time, let me go straight to the point and show you how to create this AI sub account and how to use it, and also the different benefits you can get if you're using this AI sub account. Let's go straight to the point. So as you can see right here on the screen, I'm on the Bybit homepage on the Bybit website, and I'll be showing you this tutorial for both the website and the mobile app. So if you are using whether the website or the mobile app, this video is also for you. So whichever device you are using, whether your laptop or whether your mobile app, I'll be showing you how to use this sub account in this video. So let's start with the website. So as you can see right here, from the homepage of the Bybit website, come here to the top right corner of your screen where you have like your profile. So this is your profile here. Then come here to where you have switch/create account. So you can see it here. Just click on it. Now right here on the screen, you see the list of sub accounts you have created, and if you have not created anyone, you won't see anyone right here, but these are all the sub accounts I've used. So if you want to create a new one, come here to where you have create, then click on it. And then you see that you have two options. You have the standard option and you have the AI sub account option. So for this video, we're using the AI sub account. So you come here, click on it, and also you can see that it says dedicated sub account with customizable limit for AI agent. So it's basically for AI agent. You're not trading yourself, you're using AI to trade. That's what it's all about. And then you come here to where you have this to put in a name for your sub account. So just give it any name you can use to recognize it. So let me just say AI account. So you're not to leave any space at all. So AI account, this is the name. So give it any name you can use to recognize it. Once you've done that, come here to the bottom of the screen and then click on confirm. Then right here on the screen, you'll be asked to do your security verification just to confirm that you are the one creating this sub account. So I'll go ahead and do that and then skip to the next part. So you can see right here on the screen, it says AI sub account created. Your account is ready with secure default settings activated. And then you can see these are the different things you also need to take note of right here. Now you can see right here, it says balance protection. Access is restricted to allocated funds of $5,000. Now they are putting your maximum amount that you can put into this sub account at $5,000. Now the reason why they are doing this is to limit your risk so that you don't go ahead to put in a lot of money above this 5K and then risk it using AI. You know, AI can also go into losses, they can also go into profit. So they don't want you to go into it with a huge amount of money. That's why they're putting the max at $5,000. Now, the next thing you need to take note of is the withdrawal control. So you can see it says only you can transfer funds out. So they're telling you that nobody else can transfer funds out of this AI sub account. And then you also have exposure management. So you can see it says limit maximum leverage to manage risk exposure. So you can see for the leverage, there is no limit. So you can always set limit for that. And then you can see here, all features TP/SL. It also says limit maximum leverage to manage risk exposure. So if you want to set your TP and SL, you can set it there. So if you want to customize all of these things, if you want to change all these settings they've put in here, just come here to where it says customize settings, click on it. So you can see right here on the screen for the asset, you can see the asset cap is $5,000. So if you want to increase this limit right here, you want to increase it to maybe $10,000, you can increase it. But this is the one they've given you. So if you want to increase it, it is your choice. Just come here to this pencil icon and then increase it. That is if you want to deposit more than $5,000 into this sub account. And then you can see right here, transfer in allows your AI agent to transfer assets from your master account and other sub accounts. Now, what does this mean? Now, this means that if you turn this on, it means that you are allowing your AI agent to be able to transfer money from your personal Bybit account to this sub account you have created. That's simply what this means. And then you can see transfer out. If you turn this on to, it's the same thing. So this also means that you're allowing your AI agent to transfer assets to your personal account and other sub accounts that you have. I can see right here, funding to UTA. That means your agent can move your funds from funding account to your unified trading account, and also from your unified trading account to your funding account. So for all of these settings, if you want to turn them on or off, you can go ahead to do that. And then if you come here to trading, just click on trading. You can see it says set margin leverage. So if you want to set the maximum margin the agent can use or the AI bot can use, you need to turn this on. Also for this, for the maximum contract leverage, you can set the maximum contract leverage for the agent too. If you want to do that, just turn this on. So if I turn this, the first one on, so you come here and put in the leverage you want to use. So if you wanted to use maybe maximum of 5x leverage, come here and put that there and click on confirm. And then for your maximum contract leverage, you come here, turn this one too. So you make sure and put this one on too. So maybe if you wanted to use 20x leverage, 15x leverage for that, then click on confirm. So make sure that you put in the maximum leverage you wanted to use. And then for this one, if you want to set a maximum TP or SL for your agent for futures trading, come here, click on it too, and then you can put it right here. So you can see for the take profit, it must be greater than $105. For the cumulative stop loss, it must be less than minus $105. So if you want to set the take profit and stop loss for it, that's maximum take profit and stop loss for all your futures trades that the agent will take, then you can go ahead to do this. So if you want to do that, just set them here. So let's say, for example, $1,000 and maybe $500. Just go ahead and put it and click on confirm. So with that, you've done all of your settings for your AI sub account. So let's click on X and go back. So you can see the next thing on the screen says created successfully, transfer funds to start trading. So this one is if you want to transfer funds from your main account, your Bybit main account, to your Bybit AI sub account that you just created. You can go ahead and transfer it right here. So if you want to transfer it, put in the coin you want to transfer and the amount you want to transfer right here. But if you want to skip that for now, just come here and click on skip. So once you've customized your settings the way you want, then go ahead and connect to AI agent. Come here, click on this. Then right here on the screen, you can see it says copy the command below and send it to your AI agent to instantly set up your AI trader and generate a public key. So right here on the screen is the command. Right here, what you have here in this yellow box, that is the command you have to copy and send to your AI agent. But before you copy this command and send to your AI agent, let me tell you the different AI agent that Bybit currently support for this new feature that you can connect to your sub account. Now, the first one is OpenClaw. The second one is Claude Code. The third one is ChatGPT. The fourth one is Gemini, and the last one is Cursor. So these are the 5 different AI agents that you can use. So if you have created any AI agent or you plan to create an AI agent for this feature on Bybit, make sure you have them on any of these 5 platforms I've listed. Now, these 5 ones I've listed are the major ones that Bybit connects to, but Bybit also states that any AI tool that is capable of API integration can also be connected. So if you have any AI trading agent that you have created on any of these platforms I've mentioned, or any AI tool that is capable of API integration, then you can go ahead and connect right here. It's as simple as that. So again, just copy this command you have on the screen, copy it and send to that AI agent you've created. It's as simple as that. Now, for those of you that will be using your mobile phone or the mobile app for this feature, here is how to do it on your app. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, I'm on the home page of the Bybit app. Then you come here to where you have your profile picture. If you have any, you can see on the top left corner, just click on that. And then right here on the screen on the top right corner, come here and click on this icon. So this icon that you have here, just click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will show you all of these different sub accounts that you've created before. That's if you've created anyone before. And you will also see this where you have introducing AI sub account, which is what we want to talk about. So if you want to try it, just click on try now. I'll click on that. And then once you get to this page, come here and enter the name of your sub account. So just like what I entered there, let me also enter AI. Let me make it sub account. So you can just enter any name, just any name that will make it easier for you to recognize your sub account. So once you've seen that, make sure that it is AI sub account that is clicked here, then click on create. Now, right here on the screen, so you'll have to do your security verification. So I'll go ahead and do that and then skip to the next part. As you can see, I've created the AI sub account, and you can also see that this is the default settings for the AI sub account, like I said earlier. So if you want to change any of that, just click on customize settings and follow everything I did earlier. But if you want to go straight to connect to your AI agent, just come here and click on connect to AI agent. I'll click on that. Now, when you get to this page, you can also say copy the command below and send it to your AI agent. And you have e.g. open Claude code to initialize connection and generate a public key. So you can see, just come here, copy this command, send to your AI agent on any of the platforms that you have created your AI agent. Now, once you paste this command to your AI agent, it is going to generate a public key for you. Now, that public key you get is what you come here to paste. So you come here and enter your public key. Once you enter it, just click on confirm, and just like that, you've connected your AI agent to your Bybit sub account. And it's as simple as that. And then the AI will be taking trades for you. All you have to do is just be checking it and be monitoring how it is doing, or how it is making profit or whether loss for you. It's as simple as that. So if you have any AI agent, this is a new feature that you can take advantage of on the Bybit platform. And in case you want to create a Bybit account, use the first link in the description below. If you want to learn how to do futures trading on Bybit too, I have a video on that, or you can click on the video showing on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.